So I got joy, joy, down in my soul. Said I've got joy, joy, down in my soul. Said I've got joy, joy, down in my soul. Said I've got joy, joy, down in my soul. If it was up to me.
What's up, Blended Squad? What's up, beautiful people? Listen, thank y'all so much for taking time to join us on another episode of Blended. Guess what? Family, we still in Colorado. We still turning up. Breckenridge has been amazing. We are having a good time now. Although we're still here, it's a sad day. We're getting ready to go. We're getting ready to leave Breckenridge. I know. We've done so much from seeing incredible chipmunks to lakes to hikes and trails to biking to, man, all types of stuff. Today is the day.
What's up, beautiful people? It is day 7 here in Breckenridge, Colorado. It's morning time. We're about to go to, they have like a little main street, kind of have like a main street market. It's pretty dope. It really has everything that you need, you know, groceries, whatever. I mean, it has it. I know somebody's making a killing because that's an incredible idea. Just because Breckenridge and where we're staying, it's just kind of like a little village community. Is super dope. And so for all the people that come in to visit, having that right there is like, it's clutch. So we went in yesterday, saw it. There were some things that we realized we couldn't carry.
We're leaving Breckenridge, man. The family is not feeling it. However, it's okay, because we know we got so much more life to live. This ain't the last trip, right? But before we leave, we're just gonna embrace the house. Now, me personally, man, it's the leave day, so I'm gonna prepare this crazy breakfast. We're gonna sit down, have a good time, enjoy each other and eat, and it's a wrap. We're gonna leave. Cue amazing breakfast montage. All right, so listen, after breakfast, everybody's like, man, this is really it. It's time to go. So we pack up. It is what it is. It's a wrap. We are leaving the house in Breckenridge. So listen, although we're leaving, we're not just gonna leave Breckenridge and go straight home. The family's having a good time. We're all loving Colorado. We hear about this place called Garden of the Gods, and we heard it was gorgeous. Like the landscape and what was out there. Now, although we've never been, we just keep hearing it's very pretty and it's a place you gotta go. So we put it in our GPS trying to find out where it is. Now, unfortunately, Dallas is this way, Garden of the Gods is that way. But you know what? Don't matter. We ain't got nothing to do. We just vacationing, we chilling. So we get in the car and we head to the Garden of the Gods. It's getting ready to go down. So we're driving, heading that direction. Everybody's having a good time. And as we are approaching on our GPS, we're looking out the window and we're realizing this is absolutely beautiful. What in the world? Everybody's excited because we've never seen anything like this. And we knew that this was going to be everything that people were building it up to be.
Yeah, maybe so. Let me just come out of here. It just said turn next left.
After 1 mile. You gotta get out of here.
No, I went right. Yeah, I was keeping us on the trail.
We get out the car and we're walking that way, and it's just a peaceful day, man. The environment's beautiful. The atmosphere is super dope out there. It was definitely a sight to see, guys. Guys, walking through Garden of the Gods is just mind-boggling. I mean, it's like, how does this even happen? You know, for me personally, I don't know how people question God and like the existence of God. I can't think of any other way that something like this would take place without a creator. This is absolutely gorgeous. Like, there are just incredible views and an amazing scenery spots that I've never even seen. while we're there, man, our kids are having a blast. Like, we're taking these pictures inside of these little caves and coves. Now, I gotta be honest, I do see that it's cloudy today, and I'm kind of skeptical, like, I hope we don't get stuck in no rain, because I can clearly see that it's cloudy. But the place was so dope, we've never seen anything like it. I honestly didn't care about no clouds. I was gonna experience the Garden of the Gods, because I've never seen anything like this before. So we get the baby out, we get the whole family out, and we just start hitting trails. As we're walking around, man, it's such a peaceful place. And I think because people are just taking in the beauty of this place. Man, we go around the corner, people are actually climbing these huge rocks. I'm thinking to myself, y'all crazy, I wouldn't climb them rocks for nothing. My kids are looking around just in awe. My wife saying, me, I'm looking around like, what in the world, what are we doing? It's absolutely gorgeous out here. As we're walking, I start to realize, those clouds I saw, they might open up and release a little rain for us in just a minute. Out of nowhere, man, we're just chilling, having a good time, and rain starts to fall. It's like, oh man. Now, this sucks because we were trying to climb rocks when the rain started to fall. Well, rain hitting that type of rocks, it gets really smooth and slippery. We struggle just trying to get to a place where we can actually hide away from the rain for a little bit. We realized the rain wasn't gonna stop. So we just had to walk back in the rain to our car and get out of there.
But we gotta get, man, because we don't want nobody to get sick. Dang. Be careful, Joe. This rock's right here. Slippery.
We made it, everybody made it fine. Kids love playing in the water anyway, so we had a good time. Now, as we're on the road, we realized we got some friends in Colorado. And not just people that we're cool with, but people that we actually love. So we drive up to Denver, man, to see some of our really good friends.
All right, we made it to Denver, Colorado. So we made it. Say we made it. Say we made it. We made it. Man, let me tell you how much of a blessing it is to have friends in just different states. So a friend of ours, Joshua, that I told you about earlier, he was like, hey, I'm gonna bless you guys with a room, 2 rooms tonight. I'm gonna hook y'all up. Man, let me tell you, this, there's 7 of us. He got us 2 rooms. This is for me and the missus. Check out the room, man. A little kitchen area, a little sitting area, maybe a sleeping area for me if I don't get in trouble, or if I do get in trouble, right? Bed. And then we got beautiful Denver, Colorado out there. What's up, Denver?
After all the hanging out, seeing friends, seeing of the Garden of the Gods, being in Colorado, man, it's like, okay, I think we've done everything we could. Is this it? Is it time to go back home? Do we leave? And the answer is yes.
We're getting back to Dallas. We got the family with us.
And we're in the house.
Squad. Y'all ready to go back?
No.
Heading back to Dallas.
And we're leaving at the hotel.
You ready to go back to Dallas?
No, kinda.
All right, we are heading back to Dallas. We have been to Colorado. We went to Breckenridge, we went to Colorado Springs, and now we're in Denver. And we had a great time. We're getting ready to go back to Dallas. We are currently 896 miles away. I'm gonna try to drive as long as possible. And then whenever I'm pooped, we're gonna get a room. And that's it. It is what it is. No agenda. If we see something dope, we might stop. Probably not. But it's going down.
We get in the car and we hit the road and we go back to Dallas. Now, trust me, there is no place like home. We love our home. There's nothing better than being able to walk into your home and knowing this is my bed, this is where I lay my head, my family's here. But we also love the road just because, man, you're constantly learning and you're constantly being exposed to new things while you're on the road. So we thank God for the fact that we were able to have a trip, but we also thank God that he kept us this entire time, and it's time for us to go back home. So family's tired, they're ready. It's funny because at the end of every trip, we all say, yeah, I'm ready to get back home. We had a good time, but when we mentally know it's done, we're done, right? So we get in the ride and we head all the way back to Dallas.
All right, so after 12 wonderful days and a lot of car riding, we have officially, oh man, the garage is up.
I just opened it.
Oh, let's see, wait a minute. We have the video officially made it home.
Look, we're home, London.
Super excited. We are getting ready to go in here and hop in every single bed in the house. And they're running to get in the beds. Go! You stinky children.
Oh, wow.
That was awesome. Where'd y'all drop? iPad?
No.
The iPad is broke.
Woo!
My iPad's in my hand.
Otra vez.
Listen, guys, thank you so much for taking time to watch another episode of Blended while we hung out in Breckenridge, Colorado. Guys, there's 7 episodes here. This is so many things that we did. If you're watching this episode, I want to encourage you, go back and watch the other 6 episodes and you can see all of the things we did in Breckenridge. But if you've ever been to Breckenridge, Colorado, if you've been to Denver, I want to know, what was your favorite spot? Tell us. So next time that we go, we'll know what to do. Guys, do me a favor. Remember, even though the storms may come, please remember to dance in the rain. God bless you, and we'll see you on the next episode. Peace.
So I got joy, joy, down in my soul. Said I've got joy, joy, down in my soul. Said I've got joy, joy, down in my soul. Said I've got joy, joy, down in my soul. If it was up to me,